What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I know a lot of people see me talk about CRO and Shiba Inu and, really break down what's going on with them day to day and break down a lot of different details of them. And a lot of people are asking me, or actually a couple of people in the last live stream, hey, why don't you talk about some of the other positions that you are in, other positions that you hold? And I do talk about those. I just don't like to obviously flood with like 6 videos a day or 7 videos a day because talking about something specific would be very difficult to be able to do that. So I could take it day by day and talk about some of these, which I do plan on doing because I am holding them and I do believe in what they can do. And I've had videos on basically all of these positions in the past. But we're going to go through 3 positions that I'm invested in, that I believe in, probably just as much as I believe in Shiba Inu or CRO, and things that will make me money in the short term and things that will make me money in the long term. Breaking down all of the details of those. So before we get started in this, make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. Now, also, if you guys want to join my Discord group that I have for Shiba Inu, feel free to join that Discord group. The link will be down in the description, and you could join up and be a part of that Shiba Inu community that we're building to be able to improve the price of SHIB. But we're here to talk about my positions in my portfolios. Now, everybody knows I hold a ton of CRO, I hold a ton of Shiba Inu, and those are 2 positions that will be to the side. They won't be mentioned in this video anymore. But what we need to do is talk about some other positions. So if we go into my portfolio here, I'm going to show you the top 3 positions that I have on here. Harvest Finance, Krill, and Gitcoin. Harvest Finance, I'm holding about $6,000 of. Krill, I'm holding about $4,300 of. And Gitcoin, I'm holding about $2,500 of. Now, we're going to go through these individually and give you guys a breakdown as to why I believe that I'm very bullish on these and why I believe that these will run short term or long term and what I'm planning on getting out of them. So let's start with Harvest Finance. So Harvest Finance, I hold 61 coins, which I bought at various prices. The first, like 5 coins, I believe I bought around 250. It rose up to about 400. I didn't end up selling at those points because I do see a lot of potential. I ended up buying a little bit more as it did go down to about 150, and then I bought a lot when it was around $82 or so. So right now I'm holding at a very low cost basis and looking to off about 30 in the short term and keep 30 for more of the long term. Now, why am I bullish on this? Well, if we go over to CoinMarketCap and we just type in farm, Harvest Finance, and you're going to see it's at $96.57. It's up about 1%. But what really draws your attention, or what your eyes are drawn to, is the circulating supply. So if you go up here right above my head, you're going to see the circulating supply at 674,000 farm coins that are out there, 98%. Basically, all the supply is out there, no dilution of that supply. You have a lot of popularity that goes through. You can see in the last 24 hours, it's up 100% in popularity. And you're going to see that the market cap is only at 65 million. That's 65 million compared to all of these other coins that are out there. You're seeing those in the 1 billion, 2 billion, 3 billion, 10 billion dollar mark. Now, I'm not saying that this can physically get there because you're seeing a lot of fluctuation. With a lower supply equals more fluctuation, which means that anybody that sells affects the price in a big way. So I don't expect to see it at some of these crazy high levels, that maybe see it in the thousands or 2,000s. It could possibly get there, and that's what I'm thinking about for the long term, and that's why I'm still trying to figure out if it will end up making that move. But short term, we've seen fluctuation, we've seen movement, and if we look at the past like 3 months, we've seen this go from a level of $88 all the way up to a high here. It says a high here of $132, but this went to a high, and this was just recently. It should have went to a high of about $285 is where I ended up selling a portion of mine because I bought in low, sold some of it high, and then bought some more back in low, pocketed like $5,000 from it already, and was able to spread that across other positions that I do hold. So this is definitely a position that I believe is going to run, is going to make a move short term and make a move long term, into the thousands. But what you can expect short term is definitely to get back to that $200, $300 mark for a 3x return. And that's why I'm looking at this as a very positive position. Something that I'm thinking about putting more money into as of like right now, putting another $10,000 into, and then just doubling that in the near future. But we'll see how that plays out. And right now, I'm set for selling about 30 of it and making a move there. The next position that I have is Krill Coin. Krill Coin was one that I brought up previously because the one thing that gets me, and always the thing that really gets me, is the circulating supply. So if I go and type in KRL, Krill Coin, you're seeing it at 84 cents. And what you're getting here is the circulating supply and max supply. Circulating supply, you're looking at 38 million, and the total supply, you're looking at 49 million, or almost 50 million. You see the price, it's at basically a dollar. Just recently, this has run, if I look back about a month ago, right, you're going to see that this has run up to it went up to a dollar, yeah, a dollar 60, a dollar 80 or so. Did end up decreasing and then increased again for a little quick jump up to 120, but then decreased down again. But if you look, let's look about 3 months, you're going to see that this went from 60 cents all the way up to, actually, let's go back a little bit further. So it went from about 20 cents here all the way up to about $4.50. And the quick rise was because of it was released or launched on what the hell is the platform? Coinbase. Jesus, I couldn't think of the name. I was going to say CoinMarketCap, but Coinbase. So it was launched on Coinbase, and you did see that drop down here, and it started to kind of flatten out after creating lower highs and lower lows. And now we're seeing it at a point to where a lot of people look at it and go, okay, this looks like something that can really run. Yes, the volume is down about 34% over the last 24 hours, but I know that this has a lot of potential to continue to run, and that's why I'm holding on to 5,000 coins, because $1.80, that's a small rise. It was over 100% at the time, but that's a small rise for it to basically double my money there, right? I'm looking at $5,000 and I was up to $10,000 at one point, and I see a lot more potential. Yes, you can always look at those situations and go, all right, well, you could take out some and pocket some of that and then put it back in at the lows and get more coins, or you can put it in something else and get some more coins there. And that's true. But I believe in this and where it can go. My first initial selling point will probably be somewhere around that $4 or $3 or $4 mark. And we'll see as it does approach those marks. I'd probably say more $3 because it looks like it holds a little bit at that point. But we'll see as time comes on. So yeah, Krill is my next biggest holding, and I do believe in what they have there. And I'm holding about $4,000 worth or $5,000 worth. And the next one I have here is Gitcoin. Gitcoin is a position that I've already made money on twice, and I plan on making money on a third time in the short term. So I'm looking for this to push to about $20. I'm going to make money on that. Sell probably half of the coins. I currently hold about 400 of those coins. So selling 200, getting 200, and then going on about my day. I believe in this position so much because of the fact that it only has a lower supply as well, and definitely has a little bit more popularity. Gitcoin here. And this it was at a previous level to where I bought in at $7. It went up to $28, and I sold at those points, made money from that. And you can see that it only has 14.1 million coins out there, a total of 100 million coins. So you do have to watch out for any type of dilution, but you do see a total of 14 million coins, which is a low amount of coins, and you don't really see much dilution that comes out of it. That's what I'm really excited about. If you see a lot of dilution, I usually get scared, but I don't see a lot of dilution when I looked at the chart previously. So these are the positions that I'm looking at. These are the positions that I'm bullish on and that I feel are going to make a huge move in the near future, and we can expect so much out of it, in my opinion. Now, it's not necessarily telling you guys to buy. I need you guys to do a little bit more research. As they always say, do your own research, but you do need to do something and just review what will benefit you in the end, what will be the best strategy for you in the end as well, and hopefully you can make some money from it. But that's the overall like end goal, is for us to make money, not for just me to make money, but for you guys to make money and learn from it, learn from any mistakes that you have, and learn from anything positive that you do. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Let me know what positions you're investing in, what you're bullish on, what your top 3 positions are besides maybe SHIB and CRO. Let me know what some of your other top positions are. But make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.